Want to learn how AI tools can support YouTube growth and simplify content creation workflows? Grow YouTube channel with AI tools. Smarter Content Creation and Automation Guide is a beginner-friendly ebook designed to introduce readers to AI-assisted strategies for managing and growing a YouTube channel more efficiently. This guide explains how modern AI tools are being used to improve productivity, organize content workflows, generate ideas, and support creators during different stages of video production. Instead of focusing on complex technical details, the ebook presents the information in a simple and accessible way that beginners can easily understand. Inside the book, readers are introduced to AI-powered content systems, workflow automation concepts, productivity strategies, and ways creators are using AI tools to simplify repetitive tasks related to YouTube content creation and channel management. The content is structured to help readers better understand how AI can support a more organized and efficient creative process. One of the strongest aspects of this ebook is its beginner-friendly structure. The explanations are clear, practical, and written for people with little or no previous experience with AI tools or content systems. Whether you are a new creator, freelancer, entrepreneur, or simply curious about AI-assisted workflows, the guide offers an approachable introduction to the topic. As YouTube continues to grow as a major content platform, more creators are exploring AI-powered tools to improve efficiency and manage content production more effectively. Understanding these concepts can help readers build useful modern digital skills and streamline their creative workflow. If you want a simple introduction to AI-powered YouTube workflows and smarter content creation strategies, you can order the ebook today using the link in the description.